So Instagram has limited the swipe up option only to people about 10,000 followers. And for all the people who are below 10,000 followers, they sadly have to, I'll just show it to you. They sadly have to depend on the link in bio. The link in bio, that's the only magic tool they have to depend on. In the stories, they have to say it's the link in bio. In the post, they have to say link in bio. Everywhere, they have to say link in bio, link in bio, link in bio. And if you're not having 10,000 followers, and if you're below 10,000 followers, it's so important to have your LinkedIn bio as like, it's like everything. Basically, anyone who lands on your profile checks out your bio. Anyone who wants to purchase anything, or anyone who's interested in an article you're promoting, everything should be in the LinkedIn bio. And that's what we're going to cover in this webinar today, about how you can actually scale up your LinkedIn bio, take it to the next level, than just being a random link, than just being, any sort of random link, which is not even, helping you out. What if your LinkedIn bio is on steroids? That's exactly what we're going to cover today in today's webinar, guys, with LinkedIn. So Sanket, over to you. Let us show people how LinkedIn bio on steroids looks like.
Sure. Thanks, Minank. Hello, awesome people. How are you doing? Just a moment.
Sure.
Myself, Sanket, welcomes you for the webinar, and appreciate that you spending time with us. But here, my promise is that in next 60 minutes, you will going to get a lot more values, guys, and you are confidently able to build up your smart page with or without using LinkedIn. Just a moment. So are we good to go?
Yes, Sanket, you can share your screen and I'll just mute myself.
Yes.
Guys, be sure to keep tagging us on @PitchGround, and you can win the tool that we're going to showcase. I can see already people are already tagging us. People are already saying Sanket. Digital Eklavya has tagged us. Congrats. Nice. Awesome. I can see more tags coming in. Awesome. I'm just going to mute myself. Over to you, Sanket.
Yeah. Is it visible to you?
Yep, it's visible.
So here is a link which helps you to build authoritative business portfolio for your business. All right. And let me introduce myself. I'm Sanket Garat, founder of LinkedIn. I have been in this process of digital marketing for the last 7 years, and I'm doing great with my digital marketing agency. But before actually getting started with the product, I just wanted to tell you one story about how then you will be able to analyze how we have conceptualized this product. So what happened? We all know last year pandemic happens and all business or even all world gets suffered from it. So it's no wonder that our business goes drastically down. So that time we need to need to figure out other business opportunities to keep running our company. So at that time, we started figuring out different ideas, opportunities where we can start a new kind of thing, and decided to just then we decided to summarize all ideas, all knowledge that we have into the product that we can offer to our audience. Okay, that time we try with different ideas, but what happened, guys? When we came up with any of the idea, then we probably find almost 100 of people are providing same kind of solution. That's a competition. We can't ignore that. But again, at the very same time, we are getting a lot more inquiries about website development. Actually, we are not in that business, but people are reaching out because they know that we are doing something in digital space. So they reach out to us for building their website, because at the time is completely bad for each and every business owner, because most of the people even lost their job and they wanted to start something as of their own online. Okay, so they want a website, and they started reaching out to us. That time we see the opportunity that because the thing is happen. We need to put up a lot more time while communicating those clients, because at the very same time we need to take our developers, we need to take communicate with other service provider like hosting and all. So we need to put a lot more energy and a lot more time to communicate all these things. So that's the problem that we analyze, because it's not possible for everyone to hire a developer and communicate with graphics designer and put up some energy and efforts to building all these things, even analyze how the things works. That's not possible for each and every business owner. So what we decided to build such an app which can be able to useful for anyone else, those who wanted to create their online business presence. So but there are a lot more key challenges in that. That's why we decided to build a LinkedIn kind of product. We started researching on how the things are happening over the market, what will be the competition and all. So we have for last 6 months, we are continuously putting efforts and we have done the LinkedIn. So here is an overview what the LinkedIn is. LinkedIn is probably a one link that will enclose all your links that you wanted to promote in your business, be it not exactly only links, be it a YouTube video, be it a products and services that you are offering in your business, that all links are placed in a very structured manner in a one single place. That's the LinkedIn. All right. So here I'm showing you. So here are some use cases of our users. So you will get an idea what I'm talking about. What will be the smart page exactly? What will be the how it is going to impact your audience? You will get an idea. This is the use cases that our users have built. Okay, is it looking awesome? Perfect. So let's get into the story. If you own a business, then definitely you need to have an online presence. All right. So online presence, probably when we think about online presence for any kind of business, then definitely we run out for website development, because website is the only way out that you can build your presence online. All right. Agreed or not? Oh, perfect. But is website is a final solution? Yes or no? Is website is a final solution? Right? Write down into the chat box. I just want to know. Yeah. Listen, website is a different ballgame. Yeah. Perfect. Just a moment. Listen, website probably be the solution. We'll take later on that. But before actually going for a website or a smart page or landing page or funnel, what it may be, just have a look on the things that we have considered. Here are the things. What makes the business portfolio page awesome? So we have figured out the things. Firstly, that needs to be there for any business portfolio page. Okay, so obviously there is a logo of the business. If you are in personal branding, then definitely you can use your own photo as a logo. Then communication channels means contact pages, contact us page, because in some businesses you need to have a lead form, in some businesses you need to have your mobile number, what it may be, the contact pages or contact communication channel. Then exactly what products or services that you are offering. If you are selling, if you are in an e-commerce business, then if you are selling your own product or someone other's product in affiliate businesses, what it may be. If you are promoting a content, if you are a blogger or YouTuber or Instagrammer, so what will be the content you are creating, you need to promote across the audience. So what exactly you're offering will be came later. Then there will be a direct communication channels like a WhatsApp mobile number, WhatsApp messenger link, then Skype messenger link, then emails, or then or mobile number, what it may be. It depends, it varies upon the business that you are in. Okay, then you need to add all your social media channels where you have your presence of your business. So this is the structure that we have conceptualized for a perfect landing page. But here is one thing that we have added, that is collecting an email list. Okay, you don't need to have another software for that, because we have added a email collection point in that structure. All right. Let's have an idea what I'm talking about. If you have your business page over, if you have a business and you have created business profile over the Instagram, you know there are a lot more traffic there on Instagram. People are randomly clicking to your website. They want to know about you, what you are offering and all. So they probably hit your bio page. And if there is an ugly kind of URL, if you are having some YouTube kind of URL, then people are just left out and they will never come back. Okay, that's the problem. So if you are having some stunning looking awesome landing page over there which convey the message what you wanted to convey in your business, then probably they started engage with you, they started paying attention to what you are saying, they probably end up with performing the action that you are looking for, and you are going to win a sale right then and there. What I'm talking is to have a need of business landing page, business landing page. But here is some fact that you need to consider before actually finalizing the things. Because why people need this then? Why people or business owner needs this kind of awesome smart page for their business? Because nowadays we all know that people are followers, whatever. They started judging you how you are presenting yourself or your business in front of them. If the thing are pretty awesome, then immediate they are started following you, they are started believing on you, they started putting some trust on you. So this is the thing that we wanted to achieve in any business. Okay, and remember, if you are not having such a good kind of landing page, if you have any some random website, distraction oriented website, then definitely you won't able to get more influence to the people. So that's the problem. All right. In my when we started researching about, then I come to know that this is the only reason that many people, many entrepreneurs fail to bring visibility to their business promotion, no matter what they're offering. If they are promoting content, if they're promoting some products or services, but they are going to fail if they are not created such a great looking landing page for their audience. All right, so now coming to the biggest discussion that we are running earlier, we are talking about how to create a stunning looking portfolio business page. In our terminology, we call this as a smart page, right? And probably the answer is going to be a website. Yes, and that's not completely wrong, because website is the only way over the internet that you can have a full control. All right, because if you are going to create a business page over Instagram or a Facebook or any other social media channels, then definitely you need to depend upon their kind of things, because they are handling by and operated by them. The website is definitely going to handle by you and operated by you. But website could not be a solution in this case, because there is a problem that website is going to set a new challenges for you, because it's not easy. Let's see what the problems when you are going to create a landing page with a website. Creating a website starts with huge payoffs. Agreed or not? You need to communicate, because we have faced that kind of problem. You need to communicate with a lot more guys. You need to hire a graphic developer. You need to manage. You need to talk with hosting service provider, domain service provider, developers, and then again you need to put up a lot more money into it. It's not that easy. Making a website which actually help you to achieve results, achieve grab attention, it's become very critical for you. It is not that easy. Even if you are if you anyhow, if you're able to manage such a kind of thing, then you won't able to get that kind of experience what we are delivering in our product. So you will we will come later on that how we are getting a great UI for your audience. But again, some of people reach out to me and told that even you can so thought of WordPress website builder and some other website builder, they can able to probably it sounds that they are free to available. But believe me, guys, nothing, you cannot make a successful business using a free kind of stuff. All right. Here are some, we take a two case studies that if you use WordPress to build a business portfolio page, and if WordPress builder like a Wix or all. So if you are considering with the WordPress, you are, and any of the website builder, you are going to put up end up with lots of money and precious time, because here are the key challenges. If you are going with a WordPress, then you need to again look up for a domain and hosting. Then you need to pay for a developer. You can't able to manage all things as yours, because you are into the business that you are good at. You cannot go and replace someone developers and do the stuff as of your own. That's not that possible. Even if you're able to manage these things, then again, you need to take a help of, you need to take care of a lot more things. You need to take plugin themes. There need to be you again, you need to lose your money. Then moving ahead, suppose you anyhow you're able to manage or manage the kind of website for your business, then again updating that content, even making some changes into the website as per seasonal or sale is going on, or as per the promotion that you are promoting on website, then again every time you need to reach out to those people who are managing the thing, and that is going to be very painful. Believe me guys, if you are going for a website builder, then also the same thing happens, because we have tested all these things, and that is the real problem. So that's why we have decided to build a solution for that. Okay, let's see, if you are using a website builder, then you need to be good at technology, because even if done for you website builder, you need to have some kind of knowledge, technical knowledge, because you need to manage the technical stuff like editor and kind of things. Okay, so, and that's not that probably built up for a different kind of stores. Like if you are building a website for let's say e-commerce store, or if you are building some drop shipping kind of thing, then definitely it works. But what we are looking for right now, an entire business portfolio that cannot be done in a great way using this kind of such a website builder. So that is the biggest reason I see that many entrepreneurs fails to bring a great online portfolio and attracts a free traffic to build a trust. Here we have added one sample. You can have a look on that. Okay. So guys, we are coming with we have came with this kind of link to what we call as a link to. It is a one link that cover all the aspects of your business. It cover all aspects, not only just aspect, it delivers the experience that no one has in the market. I promise you, because just have a look what we have built. See, this is the landing pages that have created our user earlier, and we take a screenshot for your reference. How amazing it is. Guys, please comment how you looking.
I personally like the way we are using different colors out
Yes.
there. I mean,
and it is pretty amazing, because you name the business and that can be done in a couple of minutes using the LinkedIn. All right.
Guys, the best part is the speed, right? One of the most important things
absolutely,
is to ensuring that speed is really very optimized. So that's something that you definitely get with LinkedIn. Otherwise, like, look, typically you can also use WordPress, you can use any other site, you can use Wix if you want. But again, the challenge is you always want to really segment products that are specifically designed for different purposes, because time is money in the end. And you don't want to end up spending, let's say, the next 3 hours or 5 hours of your time trying to save that few bucks again just to try and achieve a similar result, where you're again constantly struggling, the updates are kind of tedious and all those processes. Again, time is always money. That's how I see. If I have to spend 5 hours, I usually charge, let's say, over $800 an hour for an FB ad consultation, right? So if I have to spend 5 hours on designing something like this, I've just burned down some crazy amount of money right there, right? Or $4,000 of mine gone down the drain. So rather than doing that, I would rather grab something that I can just spend about the next 2 to 5 minutes and get going. And that mentality and that mindset is so very important, that time is money and you need to start valuing your own time so that you can start using your time in a better way, where you can spend that to actually help solve your customer's problem and start generating more income for yourself. That mindset is so very important to really grow as a digital marketing professional in your career.
All right. Udit, it's not about just a time and all. Definitely that needs to be considered. But hello.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah. But what we are delivering is an experience, because when you see that kind of awesome smart pages, then people are definitely stay amazed. Okay, let's start with the what goals we have, because listen, at LinkedIn we are providing one single URL for yourself that includes everything else, all aspects, all promotions, all direct communication channels, everything else about your business. Then it gets very easy for you to connect with your audience. It is cream and shareable, so it provides a more control to you. Yeah, it's provide more control means you know need to manage another landing, another admin panel, and from there you need to do some kind of technical stuff. No need. We have clear cut admin panel where you can operate in just a few of clicks. That's a matter of minute. No need to look after for any other services. Drive maximum reach and engagement. It helps to drive maximum reach and engagement, because when people saw these kind of things, then definitely they stay amazed. This kind of landing page helps you to supercharge your Instagram bio. Yes, because when people are hitting your bio link and they saw these kind of pages, then definitely they able to get a clear cut idea what you are into the business. Then the thing is that our ultimate goal is to convert strangers into a raving fan, because yes, definitely if someone saw this kind of awesome page, definitely they start following you right then and there, because they wanted to consume content more from you. All right. And yes, we are offering a personalized slash tag that's becoming covered in product demonstration. Let's coming to the another buzzword, that is link in bio. Probably there are a lot more tools available in the market. You also probably have aware about the things that I name it here, that is Linktree. Okay, so they claim that a link in bio, but we never claim it as a link in bio, because we follow under that category, but we are beyond that. Because in my perspectives, the biolink that biolink what the biolink is, biolink that helps you to express your business in a way that website can't. If all things can be manageable from website, then why we are building this tool? It's not a website. What we are creating a smart page is a upper layer of website. Even though whenever you have a website, even people are having website, they are creating a smart page for their business on LinkedIn, and they are adding that website link towards the into the smart pages. All right. So here is a difference that you can simply analyze in just a screenshot. At the right side, you can see the list of links that other tools they are claiming that they are a link in bio tool. So they just make a list of links and aggregate all links, and that's it. But
Sanket,
yeah,
sorry to interrupt you. Can you just move your mic a little closer to your
sure.
so that and can you like increase the volume a bit? Because we're
Yeah,
getting
yeah, yeah,
some
sure.
users who are saying that the volume is really very low.
Just a moment. Is it audible now?
Yeah, it's way better. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you. So here is a clear-cut difference what we are offering and other people's, those who are claiming that they are a link in bio tool. Okay, so we are how we are providing a different kind of experience, great UI that we will cover in a LinkedIn demonstration. See, we have added one eye-catching animation and how it's impact entire UI. How it's looking, guys? Is it great?
By the way, guys,
Perfect.
you can also use this when you're running, let's say, just Instagram ads, especially, and you're trying to boost your page. This sort of a landing page is really very helpful because people usually check out your profile, and your profile is like your landing page on Instagram. So you can right away just click on the link and test it out and use this right away, and this will help you to overall increase the conversions pretty easily.
Absolutely. Then suppose then moving next, we have some price tag kind of thing. You can suppose you are promoting any product, physical product or digital product, you can definitely promote through the landing page, that smart page from a LinkedIn, because we have added a price tag that no one has. See how it's look like when it added to the landing pages. Perfect. See, this is an extraordinary feature that we have right now, because we know that how timer runs user mindset to perform a desired action that we are looking for, any marketer is looking for. So we have added a countdown timer feature for running a special kind of to grab more eyeballs for running a special kind of deal on your smart page. Okay, we will cover how it look actually when it coming to a product demonstration. Just a moment. And this is a QR code that we have built, because QR code is another way of communication, guys. What I believe, it's not possible every time to consider your link to be shared. Okay, if there is a certain kind of QR kind of thing, then definitely you can share. It basically it works for local businesses, or even any of the business. You can use it. You can you can simply download the QR code and put up for social media, and put up for, let's say, WhatsApp status, and definitely you are getting traction right then and there. All right. So, and further last thing that I wanted to tell you, that this is an amazing feature that we have, right? That is called as a dynamic feeds. Actually, all these features are based on a certain specific problems that I'm talking to you right now. Because what happened, those who have content creators, those who have YouTubers, or what we can say bloggers, they are busy with their day-to-day content updates. It's not possible for them to every time come to the landing page and log into the admin panel and change the link what they have released just now on their current blog or their current YouTube channel. So what we have done, you need, with use of dynamic feed features, you can just place your YouTube channel, or place your WordPress blog or Shopify stores just once, and rest left to us, because the system automatically continuously crawl entire website, entire YouTube channels, whatever you are promoting, and it's totally on autopilot. So what you need to do is, when you update your original blog post, or when you update any YouTube video on your channel, then definitely that get reflected right then and there on business smart page. So that is going to work very amazing for our users. I'll show you, just a moment, before actually getting into the product demonstration, because that is going to be very amazing, I bet you. Just before getting into product demonstration, have a look what exactly LinkedIn offering, right? First of all, downloadable QR code for each smart page, then custom domain and SSL for better trust. Then you have a Google Analytics kind of thing. Definitely you can integrate Google Analytics for deeper insights. Then probably all people are here are running a Facebook advertisement. Definitely then we are allow you to add your Facebook ad pixel, or any other, because we have around we have around 7 ad network, biggest ad network. You can add any of them pixel and run a remarketing audience, to build a remarketing audience. Then SEO friendly pages that we are offering, because you can able to manage SEO, meta tag and description right then and there. Then UTM parameters comes in. If those who wanted to track on UTM basis, UTM theme basis, then definitely they can use UTM parameters. Then eye-catching animations that we have, that I have showed you, and are going to cover it in product demonstration. Then products and services that you can list up with a price tag. So all these are covering is going to be a suit. Even I bet you guys a normal website can't do these kind of things. And this is completely work on no code philosophy. We are believing on that, because I wanted to make it really very, very simple. Those who are non-tech guy, they can easily able to manage all this kind of technical stuff. So that's why we have created these things. Are you guys excited? Now I am going to show you practically how the things works. All right.
Absolutely. Let's just get into the product. Let's just explore, and let's see how fast we can build LinkedIn, because what we are saying is that building a website takes hosting, domain, etc. So many other things. But with LinkedIn, we can just build it.
I think
quick.
we can make it a lot more fun. Let's make one card for one of the users for their Instagram.
Love it.
I think that will be really awesome. We pick up a theme, just edit stuff, and make something live for them right away. Guys, who wants us to create a card for their Instagram account? Just
Comment your Instagram account, guys.
just comment your Instagram username, and we'll randomly pick up one of you and go to your account.
Yes. Comment your Instagram username and we will randomly pick.
Guys, again, it's very easy. It won't take that long. So the idea is to show you how powerful and quick it is.
Yeah, sure.
So just randomly pick one name, and let's get started, Sanket.
Yeah, sure. Listen, guys, we have made whenever a new feature we take it live on our platform, then definitely we create one informative page for that. Here, I have created a page. See how awesome it is. Just to inform the people that we have come up with these new features. All right. This is completely made up with our LinkedIn Smart page. This is another one example that I wanted to show. How to use QR code. We have created a document for that. And see how professionally looking landing page for that. And this is completely done without any coding. This is done by using a LinkedIn. All right. Right now, I have created another one thing that is, just a moment. See, this is a page ground page that I have created just now to showcase you how the things works and
wow,
how awesome it is.
You made it for page ground, nice. So basically, all those elements keep on turning interesting.
Yeah, sure. That is actually we have put up some animation to grab more eyeballs. All right.
We added community link. We added the YouTube video.
Everything else.
I mean, basically the YouTube playlist. Oh my god.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, this is.
I thought we can just add one single link and get it done, but
yes. Now
just
you need to just share
level.
only one thing. That is your slash tag.
I think we should just get started. I think a lot of people are really excited.
Yeah,
so
sure.
so I think no more teasers. Let's just get started.
Yeah, sure.
And let's pick up one random name, Sanket. Which username do you want to pick up from the comments? No, just check the comments. We have a lot of users who have typed in their LinkedIn username. So let's pick up one name that you want, and let's open their Instagram. And let's try to design something for them very quickly.
Okay, just a moment. I'll taking Kalpana for an example. Okay.
Okay, so it's Kalpana underscore Chandal.
The thing is that we need to have their logo and all.
Yeah, I think we can just get started with something very quickly.
Yeah, sure.
And we can just use a dummy logo for now. So it's Kalpana underscore Chandal underscore.
Kalpana, you have a private account. I'm sorry.
Okay. Kalpana, private accounts is something we cannot do anything because we have no clue what data to pick up. So we'll just go ahead with another name.
Any account that has data, guys, come on.
So Aryan, you're saying your account is open. Can you just drop in your name again, please? Okay, it's Aryan underscore Jane underscore. So I'm just typing that name.
Okay, we have some data.
Okay, I've just sent the name to you in the chat, Sanket. Just click on it. That account is open.
Aryan, right?
Yeah, correct. So let's open his Instagram account. Perfect. So let's design something for Aryan. So looks like Aryan is into like adventures and stuff. So let's assume that he's into adventurous selling, right? Adventure selling. So let's design something very quickly for him for that. Like let's pick up a template and design something for him very quickly.
In the meantime, Aryan, you can give us any kind of data or any kind of website.
Yeah, if you can
just link it, or we'll link it from a dummy website.
It will be great for us.
Yeah, if you can just share some data, Aryan, can you just share your website link or something, because we can get some data then, or else we'll be a little clueless in terms of what to do. Guys, anyone with an Instagram and a website, both, Okay, so
Okay,
Aryan
Aryan has given us a link here. Let's just do it.
so it's nationalcomputer.co.in.
Are you able to see? Hello?
Yeah. Very
Yes,
good.
yes, we can see it.
So it's nationalcomputer.co.in.
Just a moment. Now I'm creating an account.
And guys, in the meantime, please keep dropping your questions in the Q&A section and we will answer all your questions in the end. We see all your questions that are coming in. Bring it on. Please let them come in and that's going to be nice. In the meantime, Uduak says, how can we design beautiful landing pages using LinkTube? This is how we design. We're going to show it to you live in front of you right now.
So guys, this is the landing page. Once you have created an account after buying a code from PageGround. All right, this is a dashboard where all you can find your landing pages. This is an introductory video that we have placed over the left side. So you can take a tour to understand how the things works. It took around 2 to 3 minutes to understand how the things work. All right, let's get started with creating a smart.
We're going to show you how easy
it is. It is a practical demonstration. You will completely going to amaze how the things work. So here we can add a name. What you wanted to
Aryan underscore
Jain. So Aryan Jain, the traveler, we're gonna make a link tube for you.
Done. Then here you need to add, actually you need to add a logo. We don't have your logo.
Yeah, we can maybe just go to his
just
website.
Add his picture. Yeah.
Just a moment.
He has a website, or maybe just we can randomly pick up like one of the
I have PageGround, so
so let's just use that for now.
Sure.
So this is a simple step. It took around 2 minutes.
Perfect. And there goes our picture.
Sure. Here is a title where we can, let's say, using the same name. Let's say we are doing it for a personal branding kind of thing. Perfect. So here are the see, we have conceptualized the product in a way that anyone can operate without any technical knowledge. So here are the sessions that will be the fields that you are promoting. Be it if you have any website, Aryan.
Yes, that's nationalcomputer.co.in.
National TIONAL computer. It's computer, not co.in. Yeah.
Is it?
Perfect.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. And just put a link and the system crawls it. Yeah, well, actually, just a moment.
So I can see that there are 3 kind of options here: button, tile,
button, tile, and card. That's a different thing. Just a moment.
Yeah.
Information.
Do you have any meta images and everything set up, Aryan, by any chance? Have you set any sort of like social media optimization at all? That's very important. It just so that's why it wasn't able to pull up.
There is no content on that website, so it is not able to not able to crawl the things.
Right.
When I put up a when I put up a PageGround, it works.
So I just have a suggestion for all of you. If you are using WordPress and if you haven't set up your social media tags, then you're actually losing out. So you can just use a free software known as Rank Math or Yoast. You can just search on your WordPress plugins gallery. It's absolutely free. Make sure to use that and make sure to set up at least a default image for your website. So this way, if in case any of the image doesn't exist, a personalized image doesn't exist for a page, then your default will load. This is very important. If not, and if you don't optimize it, you're actually losing out opportunities over here. Because when you share the link publicly, it doesn't look that good. So just make sure that you guys add this. This is super important for you to really stand out.
All right. Perfect. So considering PageGround for an example, okay, here we have placed 3 kind of patterns, that is button, tile, and card. So once you click on the tile and cart, then you will realize how the things are going to be displayed or reflect on your smart page. All right. So currently we are going with, let's say, cart. Perfect. And then suppose I wanted to change the thumbnail, then definitely I can do that right from here. Okay. Once I click on add, then it is get reflected over here. All right. So what I'm promoting, it's came here. All right. So that is the one of the section from where I can add button, tiles and card. Suppose if I wanted to add a video, then I can just go here and put up a video URL, and the system again crawls it. I'll show you just a moment. Let's say suppose, yes, system automatically crawls the image and video and add, done. It get easily appear over the smart page. Okay, that's not all. Actually, we have a lot more animations that I showed earlier. So here is the thing. If you wanted to take your link live for a certain period of time, then you can schedule it right from here. All right, select the time zone, select a starting time and ending time, and done. Suppose if you wanted to highlight this session on your smart page, then go for an animation. We have awesomely looking animation for almost everything.
Okay, interesting.
All right.
Okay. So
Let's say-
a user was asking us like, okay, how
See.
it is different from Linktree. This is how it's different from
this is how
Linktree,
it's
guys.
different.
This is the
Okay.
animation part. Because
See how
I
it
don't
works.
think any other link in bio tool has this option of easily animating with just the click of 2 buttons. Wow.
All
Yeah.
right. Let's say we'll try another.
We can basically animate every single part
Yeah,
of
yeah, we
the
can definitely go for it.
page, which is good. And
Perfect. Then adding a product. Suppose if you have any product, then do the same thing. Add the URL again. Add a price table, a price tag of around $120, and same thing. Done. This appears this way. That is $120. All right. Then again go for the session. If you wanted to add some text, so I now let's say and it's done. See how it's done. Perfect. Then suppose if you have a YouTube channel, then go for it, guys. See how it works.
I think this is my favorite feature out of all of them, because if
once
you want to promote,
I have just entered the YouTube channel URL and all done by the system.
I thought you just put a screenshot of the YouTube channel link, but I didn't know that it was actually fetching from the YouTube and then putting it.
I haven't seen this in Linktree or any other app either, to be very honest. I could be wrong, but I haven't seen it, to be very honest with you.
Here we have
so
set
cool.
up different. Yes, you can go with
people
the
who are
different
making
patterns
content on YouTube. Yeah.
Even you wanted to go with the cards, then cards look like this way. Suppose if you wanted to go for carousel kind of thing, then it works like this way. Everything is there.
This is awesome. I actually have a suggestion for you, Sanket, where we can probably take this to a new level. Maybe what we can do is show an option for all the videos, and then let the users select which video they want to show up, and then just with the quick feed and a small search button, all the videos show up, and then they can just check mark the favorite video, like 5 of their favorite videos very quickly right inside Linktube itself, rather than going on YouTube, copying paste one by one. I think this can be really further powerful for a lot of people, because many a times what happens is people want to add like 5 or 3 of their top videos, rather than like having a feed, or maybe they want to do both, like have this carousel and then have another dynamic feed of 3 of their top videos, basically.
Perfect. So suppose and dynamic feed works for Shopify stores also, because we have done that. Let's say,
Interesting.
for an example,
Okay, this one's big.
it's not for only website. It works for a Shopify stores owner because they also no need to manage inventory for a smart page.
Does it work for WordPress blog posts as
Yeah,
well?
yeah, yeah. It's work for WordPress.
That's awesome.
This one's big. This one's actually big.
Do you have any Shopify store here? Any person who have a Shopify
Anyone has
store?
a Shopify store that they want to drop the link to so that we can add them?
Let's
Anyone?
sell your products, guys. Let's showcase your
You guys
store.
get,
Yeah.
you guys get free promotion. Maybe you will get some sales as well. Who knows?
Let's showcase your store, guys. Any store, any Shopify store owner here, send us, just type in a link and we will just feature it.
I guess no one is running a Shopify store, so
Okay.
let's just go with
Let's
this.
just go with the
consider a blog
blog,
post,
option.
WordPress.
then. Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is going to be the most used feature. I can already see this happening, and I can already see a lot of people smiling after seeing the WordPress blog. So
Yeah.
I think this is going to be the best feature that everyone is going to use.
In just a couple of seconds, you're done with that. All right.
Guys, either you're a blogger or you are a YouTuber, we've all got you covered with Linktube, all right?
Yeah.
And even if you're like a Shopify store owner, and if you want to actually get Linktube for your business Instagram, then this is like so perfect. Like Instagram Shops hasn't arrived in India yet. And I don't know why they haven't given that, but this is like the next best alternative to Instagram Shops, because you can actually input all your products over there. People can check out and you know, in the carousel, tile fashion, etc., and whatever fashion we want to keep it, and then buy your products. That's increasing your conversions.
Now I'm showing you
can we also change the background color right now?
Yeah, sure. We'll came later on that because that is an account level setting. Okay. Currently we are on editor. So now I'm showing you how countdown feature works. Let's say decide the time and expiry date.
So John is asking regarding a speed course on IG. Definitely, John, we have already planned out some more webinars on Instagram with Predis. We should be announcing it very shortly.
See how the countdown things works. Here we got just a moment. Here is a CTA placement where we can customize the way we want.
I think we can finally add more FOMO on Instagram.
I was actually trying that. Let me just, I took some photos as well. So I was just playing around with it. I'm like, this is
guys, tomorrow when you head to our Instagram, you will see such FOMOs.
See guys, how the countdown feature looks like.
No,
exactly. I did that with Linktube for other accounts that I was like totally managing. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm adding right away. Like I'm gonna be like working on it tomorrow morning, and I'm adding like Linktube in my IG account tomorrow morning itself. Like it's a no-brainer. Like
it's completely no-brainer.
It's completely easy. Plus there are so many tweaking options right up there. Saves a lot of time. Feeds are like all of these things are there. RSS feed is there. What else do you need? Like
what else you need? Because we are covering almost everything. Now let's come into our direct communication channels. Let's say email and your number. Perfect. See how it's happening.
Okay, it's gonna come like 2 buttons. Nice.
Yeah. If you add the one, then let's say just a moment.
Johan, this is
if I wanted to add a WhatsApp, then it's look like this
way of
it automatically adjusts.
From Instagram.
See how it works.
Yeah.
Perfect. If I wanted to add one more communication channel, then let's say Facebook Messenger, it automatically adjusts. All right.
Yeah.
Then moving towards, listen, another one feature I would like to introduce that no one has right now. That is newsletter building. Guys, we know that how email list is important in any business. So if you wanted to build a email list, then you no need to purchase any other software for building a list, right? Just go there. We have an integration with MailChimp, we have integration with Google Sheet, and we have a Zapier in pipeline. So just you need to select one of these things, put up an API key for a reference and select audience. It automatically gets connected. If you wanted to check, guys, I have one integration ready for you.
Awesome.
Just
I guess you're probably going to be flooded with 10,000 requests for the ESPs by tomorrow. I can see that happening already.
See, here you just need to add a subscription message, and perfect. All right. Now, guys, we are checking that how it's going to look like over the phone. Even we have added a mobile preview here. You can check how the things appear here. Also, when we hit a publish, yeah, done. It's showing that you need to copy this URL and you need to place wherever your audience is. Now I'm putting into the another browser.
Perfect. So this is completely mobile optimized, guys. And since Instagram,
yeah, you don't need to think about optimization in mobile responsiveness, nothing else. Everything is completely clear cut.
Absolutely.
Is it amazing now?
100%. Yes. Guys, do you like this? Drop in your yes if you enjoyed something like this, if you loved the features. That Linktree looks like far ahead, even though they are like heavily funded. I think they lack innovation, and I think this is where these awesome startup comes up with nice little innovation to help you guys get the maximum out of your account, because every opportunity, every little optimization is an opportunity to increase your conversion. And that's what is really very important, is the small conversion driven factor.
Yes.
Let's just show them a few more templates, because a lot of questions are coming in around
just a moment.
What all templates are available.
Here are a few things that we left out. Now coming towards back to the dashboard. Here you can able to see the entire analysis, how your link is going to perform. Listen, here you get all views you receive, that we have just got one views only. Then clicks, if you have any clicks, let's click on this. And refresh it. You can see one link is here. That is 100% CTR action. All right. Then we have a detailed analysis. So you will come to know which links are going to perform well for you. So you can shuffle in that way. All right. If any link that is performing well for you, definitely you can take it up. If anything is not working well, you can add just animation, you can add just countdown kind of feature, and definitely you are able to grab more eyeballs with that. All right, so these are the insights that we are providing completely free.
Again, guys, the best part is that you can use it on any social media, or you can just share your quick link. So let's say if someone is asking about your business card, right? Then you can simply share this link with them, and that gives them all the details. Like you can really optimize it as a business card for yourself. And if anyone is asking like any sort of details, or if they want to know more about you, you can add that. You can add all of those things very quickly. One question for you, Sanket. Can we embed Calendly as well?
Not actually. We are not. You can put up a link in that.
I think it will be great if we can just use the embed feature of Calendly and embed
we
it
are
right
thinking
inside.
To develop such a kind of tool in-house actually for this LinkedIn, and where we people can book a call, or even people can put up their what we can say lead generation type form kind of thing. All right.
Oh, that's brilliant. So you have that in the future.
Yes. We are
I would still
for
recommend until that is out, at least allow users to embed, because that will help a lot of users to get started right away and get the call booking meanwhile. And whenever that feature is out, I think then most users will rather prefer using something very native at that stage.
Sure. Let's moving towards the personalization or customization that we are offering. All right.
Oh, one more great question coming in. Can we add Google Maps?
Yeah, sure. People are using Google Maps. I will show
Oh,
you
that's
shortly.
brilliant. So
Yeah.
Aryan, you can already add Google Maps.
Yeah.
Awesome. This is awesome. Yeah.
See, here are the themes that we have kept ready for you. Just apply it. You will able to see in mobile preview how it's looking.
Oh, I love that.
Perfect.
Different colors.
Yeah.
Because Instagram is like a themed platform. People are wary about.
You can
their
even
own
daily
colors on
change
Instagram.
your
I
entire
want to keep that in mind.
portfolio. All right. Then suppose if someone wants to change with their making their theme on their own, then definitely they can choose a color combination. If they wanted to solid color, if they wanted to go for a gradient color, then pick up a color and you've done it.
It's endless, guys. It's up to you how we want to do it. We want to leave it up to you.
Perfect. Yeah. It's done. See, it's got changed, and gradients going to be work in background. All right.
This is super interesting.
Then suppose we have considered these things, that is SEO profile, that we have seen Aryan have not used these kind of things, so it is not going to work here. But
Aryan, I think you absolutely need this. I think
yeah,
what
absolutely.
you have to do is optimize your entire profile right away. Implement this on your website, implement this on your Insta, Facebook right away, because this is the first thing I'm doing in the morning. Like I see the opportunity right away, and I'm going to be linking it up to our ESP tomorrow itself for our company as well. I see a lot of opportunity. Like this is a no-brainer for me personally.
Perfect. So here you can add a title for your website and description that will be appear in search appearance. Then we have suppose those who wanted to run a GDPR CCPA compliance, then just enable it, choose the company name, let's say tag, then enter your privacy policy URL here, and you're done with that.
Wow.
Perfect. Then suppose if you wanted to restrict your content for a certain age group, then definitely we have that sensitive content pop-up. See how it's work. I'm going to save it. Just a moment. Save, and the entire content gone.
Oh, this
you can
is
see in mobile
very handy.
Okay, when someone click on I am over 18, then only it appears. Perfect. These kind of things you're never going to see, guys.
Yeah.
So
some users are asking for examples. Can we show some existing examples already in place, maybe?
Yeah, I have shown in terms of what kind of example you are looking for.
Yeah,
like
maybe we can just head to their account or itself. Maybe you can head to their account itself and just show how like maybe one or two users are using LinkTube maybe.
Okay, sure. I'll definitely going to share you after closing this webinar. Just a moment. This demonstration. Let me finish it. Just a moment. Here we have structure. Suppose those who are running a digital kind of agency and they wanted to offer such a landing page to their audience, then we have here a project kind of thing. All right. So if you wanted to create a new project, you can create a new one, or you can rename existing project. All right. Let's say PG test. And from here, you can invite another team members. You can manage your team to handle all this kind of stuff. If you have,
you can also set up custom domain, guys. I think that is one of the most exciting feature for everyone.
Absolutely. We are having a custom domain. Just name, let's say pg.com, whatever you wanted to, and you can choose you need to choose the landing page for which you are looking to add a custom domain. We have considered favicon, guys. We are not leaving a small kind of thing. Here you can add a favicon, so you can for your custom domain, which will be appear in Chrome browser. All right.
One question for you, Sanket. Can we add Facebook and Google Pixels as well? So that
yeah, sure. I'm showing you.
Perfect.
Just a moment. It's your landing page.
This guy has covered everything.
Yeah. Here are the tracking pixel. Name the tracking pixel. Let's say PGFB. Add your pixel. Done. Sorry. If you have another one, then choose Google Analytics. Whatever. Create. Done.
Wow.
Everything else we have covered, guys. You no need to worry about. Even I told you this smart page works that I bet you that no website can beat these kind of things. Even if you hire a professional web designer, then also you won't able to deliver such a great UI that we are delivering right now.
And that too
Right.
at this speed.
Guys,
Yeah.
all this we did it in just 10-15 minutes. That's all. We didn't.
And that too we are explaining. That's why if we were to just build it, I think it'll hardly take like 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
Exactly. Yeah.
I think
And
one of my favorite
one-
features is also the optimization feature, where you can see which cards are performing best, and then you can just
Yeah.
move the card.
Sure. Here is the thing. And one important thing is that we have created a no code philosophy for this entire kind of thing. So you guys can able to edit or manage entire admin panel kind of operational functionality and all things from right inside from your mobile phone. That is amazing, because if you are using a Linktree, if you're using any other Linktree, link in bio platform, that definitely works only on desktop. You can't able to change, you can't able to update the link right from your phone. But our thing, this link to definitely works on mobile phone. So you can change any link, you can change schedule any link, whatever changes you wanted to do. You can even change the appearance completely from right inside, just right inside from your phone. So that is completely amazing. You never
Awesome.
get such a kind of features.
Awesome. Before we get started further, I think Minang, you should talk about the crazy offer. Some people are already asking us if there is any special webinar offer. So maybe you want to quickly
Absolutely.
speak
I'm
about it.
glad you asked. Let me just share my screen and take you to the webinar.
Now we are
offer that
open
we
for Q&A. If you have any doubts, guys, then do hit in QA.
Yeah, definitely we'll be asking the questions, but let's get started with the awesome deal, because
Yeah, sure.
all of the webinar users are special for us, and you guys need to be treated special.
Yes, so this is pitchground.com/products/linktube. This is Linktube is currently live as a lifetime deal on the Pitchground website, and the plans just start at $39 for life. So basically, you can use it for any social media platform, guys. There was a question. I can see that. Okay, can we use this for only Instagram? No. You can use it for any social media platform out there, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Just keep it a link in bio. It's just going to work. We also said about visiting card as well. So yeah. So all these plans, the plans start at just $39 and it goes all the way till $147. You can, with the $147 plan specifically built for agencies. And if you're an agency owner, you can see, you can impress your clients with this particular plan, guys, because your clients, I'm sure, me being a social media manager, this is the first time I'm seeing something live like this in a link. So your clients would have no clue that such kind of link in bio is waiting for them. So if you're an agency owner, you gotta grab this $147 plan. And if you're like a solopreneur, and if you're having running a small agency, you will need to grab the premium plan. But if you're just one-man army, a freelancer, you just want only your profile, etc., then the $39 plan makes sense for you. Udit, you want to announce the special offer that we
definitely,
have
guys.
for webinar guys? Only webinar.
Guys, for the webinar users only, we have a special one-on-one offer for any plan that you grab. You heard that right. No limits. Any plan that you purchase, you get one-on-one offer. If you purchase 5 codes, you get 5 additional codes of $39. If you purchase 10 codes of $147, you get 10 additional codes of $147. You can do anything with the extra codes that you have. You can give it to your customers. You can give it to your friends, family. You can do whatever you want to build more credibility for you. And you can buy as many codes as you want. You will be replicated with the exact same number of codes. This offer is only available for 1 hour only. Once you make a purchase, drop in your review, and we are dropping a form for you. All you have to do is just fill that form, and within 3 business working days, we will duplicate your order and add those number of extra codes. So if you purchase 5 codes, we'll add 5 codes. If you purchase 1 code, we will add 1 code. And this is an absolute must of a software if you're running social media at all and focusing on social media, which everyone does. I'm literally grabbing the code. I'm going to be putting it up on my personal account tomorrow. You're going to see that in the morning or afternoon by tomorrow that I have replaced, and I'm using this now, especially for all our events, because I always wanted to add like timer, which I never saw in any other product. So guys, now is the opportunity. Grab the code right away because this offer is going to be gone in literally 1 hour. So you guys just have 1 hour. Again, take advantage of this offer because we don't offer this outside of the webinar. You've never seen this, never seen us doing this, and we're never going to do that. So once again, grab this. And also we have just dropped in the link for all of you. Once you have made the purchase, just drop in a review on the review page and then just fill the form. We have just dropped in the link, guys. Again, please take the opportunity. If you just want to grab $139 code, just grab the $139 code. That's it. You don't need to grab like the $99 or any other plan, but do get it, please, because like your time is money. And if you don't have it, then you're already losing opportunity, by the way, because you can only do so much. Like I said, like even I'm going to do it myself. So
but
again, guys,
the offer is only for the people, not you.
Yeah, so you will still be able to get the lifetime deal for the next several weeks and months. But if you want the 1+1 offer, that is only available for the next 1 hour. But if you want to still grab it after 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, the special webinar offer will no longer be available. So guys, again, grab the code, drop in the review, fill the form. We have just shared the link to the form. That's all you have to do. Wait for 3 days and you should see the code in your account in next 3 business working days. If you purchase 10 codes, you get 10 codes. If you purchase 20 codes, you get 20 codes. If you purchase 50 codes, you get 50 codes. Again, you can do whatever you want with the code. That's the best part. So you have a lot of opportunity out there. This beats every single product out there. And Sanket and his team is going to constantly keep on innovating. If you guys have any integration suggestion, if you're using any special ESP, just reach out to the support and they will add that ESP for you so that more and more users can leverage those and start building up their newsletters, emails at the same time. So again, grab it. You're not going to get this offer again in next 58 minutes, guys. So take advantage of this right away. So let's get started with the questions. Minak, you want to get started with all the questions?
Yes. So since the offer is explained, just buy any code, like any plan, and drop in a review on the PitchGround page and fill the form in the comments. That's all, 3 steps, nothing else. So let's take the questions that are coming in. So the questions are, we have F&B, that's food and beverage. How exactly can LinkTube help these kind of clients? So this was asked before the demo, but I'm sure Dheeraj, this actually, after the demonstration, you can actually use LinkTube for any kind of industry you're in. It's not just limited to F&B. You can use it for fitness. You can use it for any single industry. So Dheeraj, I hope that answers your question. So Roshan asked a very good question. He says, does the link sync with the updation of our site?
Yes, sure. And that's why we have placed that dynamic link features. And the rest of the things that suppose we are adding a front face of your websites. All right. So we are not able to update the things, but if you update a content on your website, then definitely it is get replicated to Smart Page. No doubt.
Perfect. So Udwakas, is there any app on PitchGround we can use to design these beautiful pages? Yes. I think this was asked before the demonstration. Yes, Udwak, you just saw the app is LinkTube and it's available up for grabs. Plus this offer limited only to, I guess, 54 minutes now. Just 54 minutes and this offer will be over. Then the next question is, do you have variety of templates for landing pages, smart pages, and link in bio for different niches?
Yeah, it depends upon how you'd like to build your smart pages. We have created a themes, and we have even you can refer our templates for earlier users that they have built for their business. But it's not limited to. We have not done anything theme kind of thing. We have only a theme which can be used, which can be customized, which can be personalized the way you want. It depends upon your business. It varies with the business.
Got it. I hope that answers your question, Ram. And Johan asked, like, can we add custom code like localization, personalization?
Custom codes?
I think this was before adding tracking pixels. So we added pixels. So I think.
Yeah. Even local, we have a use cases with the local shop owner. They are using smart page. They have built their smart page. They have added all communication channel, their payment link, everything else, and they download the QR code and stick it over their local shop. And definitely they are getting traction day by day. Even some people have added Google My Business review page, and they are getting awesome reviews just by scanning the
That's a different use
yeah,
case,
just by
yeah.
scanning the QR code.
Wow, that's a good case, especially for F&B industry as well. For who asked the F&B question? Dheeraj, yes.
If you
My
wanted
Business
to
and
grab
getting reviews.
some
That's a very
reviews, then
good
definitely
for
create
F&B.
one link for that on your smart page, and you are definitely getting more eyeballs and more reviews for them.
Absolutely. And Manish asks, if there are new webinars scheduled like every 10 days, will I have to create a countdown every single time?
Yeah, sure. The way you want, you can make as many countdown as you want.
That's awesome.
It's just a scheduling of a smart page.
Got it. And the calendar feature we already discussed. Just adding it. And will you increase the integration for other email marketing tools? Ram wants to get people into the
Okay,
email
yes,
list. I see
we
that.
are looking for Sendinblue integration, and yes, Sendinblue, and another one is pipeline. I'm not sure about it, but we have Google Sheet right now, guys. If you wanted to take it from other, if you are using other ESPs, then definitely you can integrate that Google Sheet with whatever you are using right now.
Guys, the best way is just reach out to the LinkedTube team and just ask them whatever URL, integrations that you want. That's the best way to really.
We have you can raise a support ticket. We have that URL.
So that they can just add that into the roadmap.
Just go to linkedtube.com/help. That is also built with LinkedTube smart page.
Perfect. So just reach out to them, drop in your request, and they'll add it in the roadmap. And I'm pretty sure that the team is looking forward to serving the community and looking to grow and build along with the community. So just drop in those questions. So have you covered this question from Ram already regarding the differentiation of tap link and link choice?
No, I haven't really.
Okay, so Ram is saying, honestly, I love the product and its feature. It has got everything needed from countdown timer to presenting on YouTube. That's all cool. But kindly differentiate how it differs from TapLink, LinkJoy, and other link bio tools. People will have clear product idea. Love the product.
Glad you love the product. Right?
Yeah, listen, difference is in front of you. The way we are expressing, we are delivering the experience, the great UI that you never going to see, because how we have structured the product. Let's say card, button, or tiles, even the personalization that you never going to find it out anywhere else. And other cool features, like let's say countdown feature that I already explained, even animations that we are offering, even newsletter kind of thing that no one is offering. We have seen Linktree a lot more times, but that is just only keep you listing the links, and not even you can't do more with that.
Absolutely. I hope that explains everyone. And I love LinkedTube for sure, and I'm already getting this. But how is this going to help me get more followers?
Listen, you need to pump up the traffic. Okay, once you pump up the traffic to your Instagram page, and if they see this kind of stunning, awesome landing page, definitely they started following you, because they are going to love this kind of thing. They are going to engage with what you are offering. That's the way you are building a trust, because this is actually no need, what we can say, there is nothing magic actually that we can increase your followers. Right? You need to put up a content, and that is going to be help them. But what we are doing, we are making it in a very structured manner, so that will be help to your followers or would be followers to understand what you are offering. So definitely they are going to engage with you.
So I've also one suggestion, that if you're using LinkedTube on your Instagram, if anyone ever reaches out to you, you can simply tell them that, hey, I'll charge you like $5 a month, and I can set up one LinkedTube card for you right away.
Yeah, sure.
Right? That's something that you can do if you grab
people are also even
just make some nice side hustle bucks, basically.
Yeah, sure. People are doing that kind of thing because one person had reached out to us earlier back, and he told me that his audience reach out to him and asking about where you have built these kind of things, how you have done these things. Yeah, that's true.
If you want your audience to reach out to you like that and say, wow, tell us, give us a tutorial on how we do it, then yes.
In a few years, almost every business will.
And let's move on to the next question. Dilip asks, this is used for only building Instagram bio or any other platform. Every single platform you can use it. We just say because Instagram has the more preference on the bio link. That's where it's only clickable on Instagram. Nowhere else it's clickable. So that's why we are just telling it's Instagram bio, but you can add it on any single bio. The same link can be added on Twitter bio, on Facebook, on LinkedIn as a headline. And then you can also add it on your visiting card as well. Why not? So yes, every single place, especially the QR code option, anywhere. It's just limitless. So Tajamul says, LinkTube, yes, you can just grab it, the lifetime deal. Why you want to pay a subscription for it when it's on lifetime? So retargeting, so this question is good by Ram. Can we use retargeting pixel for every button or only for the landing page?
No, it's for a landing page.
Okay, got it. And Udwak says, do you have package for agencies? We just showed you the agency package and that's been great. So Dheeraj says, I've been using Linktree for a very long time, but with LinkTube, sky is the limit. Moreover, instead of paying, someone outside, I believe in innovation while supporting our Indian brothers. Awesome. Thank you so much, Dheeraj. You can just grab LinkTube from PitchGround on a lifetime deal instead of paying monthly.
Again, guys, just a reminder, you have less than 49 minutes left for the 1+1 offer to get over. So again, grab in if you want, because we're not going to be offering this offer again.
Yes. So, and how many custom domains, Shilpa Nayak asks, how many custom domains can configure and can I replace domain once it's used?
Yeah, sure. It depends upon the plan you have. Actually, per project we are offering one custom domain, and you can replace whenever you want.
Absolutely. So, Udwak asks, how can you make money with it? Please repeat again. It's very simple. So, people visit your LinkTube. They ask, okay, how can I, get this for myself? So you can actually build LinkTube's link in bio pages for others and charge like a monthly fee for it. That's what is the money making aspect. Otherwise, if you want to make money, you can sell your own products. You can list out, your blog posts,
services,
affiliate blog posts, etc. Every single thing. And what else, guys? Bring on more questions. I can see
Manisha is asking that what if I buy now and win a giveaway? Yeah, sure. This is 40 minutes left, I think.
Yep.
Hurry up.
Yeah. So could you please check the profile bio of Saurav Jain? I have seen all the features you presented. Just let me know if it's built using LinkTube or any alternative platform.
Probably, yes. Probably he must be using white label kind of feature. So we won't able to analyze what platform he's going to use.
So I've
checked his profile. Yes, I have checked his profile.
Because I think this is a WordPress page, guys. I'm not sure if this is built
earlier he was using Linktree.
But yeah, I think this is I'm not sure.
He ran a big technical agency in Chennai. All right, so he has a team of technical person who can handle all this kind of thing and update day-to-day basis. That's not possible for ordinary person.
Am I entitled to additional code? Udwak, you have to purchase it right now during the webinar. It's only the webinar only offer, nowhere else. And it's ending in 44 minutes, I guess, right now. So I guess that's it with the questions. Dhruv is leaving a compliment. He can simplifying. Amazing job, sir. Awesome, Dhruv. For Sanket, basically.
Yeah, sure.
And Is drop shipping worth it in India? Akshay asks. Yes, it is. Many of my friends are doing it, and with LinkTube, you can just do it on steroids, as I said before. So, what do you suggest to do after measuring performance of links in a smart page? That's a very good question, Prashant.
Prashant, you can optimize the things. You able to know that which thing works for you and which not. If some links are not working for you, then definitely you can take it up, take it you can add some animations to it. You can add some countdown kind of feature. So people are definitely going to hit that URL. It depends upon you what you like to promote on your business page.
Sanket, I actually have a suggestion for you over here.
Yeah.
How about you integrate, add like a very small feature where you call it like auto optimization for smart links. So for example, depending upon which card is performing the best, every week, the cards will reshuffle automatically so that user don't have to log into their account and keep on optimizing the card. I think this is, I haven't seen this feature anywhere. And this will take the automation on LinkTube to a whole new level, I think.
Actually, we are sending monthly stats that which links are performing well or which not. Okay, but we can definitely think about what you are suggesting.
Yeah, that's why I said like you can probably implement a bit of AI. So, for example, let's say that if certain card is performing best on Wednesday, then we automatically move that card on Wednesday as a top card. If some card is performing better on Thursday, we can just move that, add in a bit of AI and auto optimization. And I think this will kill all the competitors right away.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, we are leaving Linktree away behind. We are into some new conversations of AI and etc. But yeah, that's what future holds for us. And you can get in by purchasing the lifetime deal for LinkTube, which just starts at $39 lifetime. I'm just gonna repeat the offer one last time because we have answered all the questions. You buy any plan on LinkTube, you get the same code for free. Yes, that's a 1+1 offer. All you have to do is buy a plan, leave a review, and then fill the form in the chat section. We've kept a form in the chat section, fill it, and that's it. 3 single steps, and you will get another code of LinkTube absolutely for free. We'll match your purchase. If you buy 10, we get 10. If you buy 20, we get 20. Yeah. So that's the offer that we're having only for this webinar. I think probably around 30 minutes left for the offer to end. But yeah, grab the offer soon, guys. Only for webinar. We probably may not bring this offer again. So if you're in this webinar, if you're sticking till here, you are amazing. So right now, I'm going to go announce the giveaway winners because that's important. Many of you guys have participated in our giveaway by tagging us on your Instagram. And let's see who has tagged us. Let's see who has tagged us. And let's see if you guys are in here. I'm checking the stories. And I just want to give out to Dhruv Kapoor. Yes. Dhruv Kapoor, congratulations. If you're in the webinar, say hi. So Dhruv, if you're not in the webinar, then I'm sorry, we have to give it to somebody else as well. So Dhruv is in the participants, but I can't see him. Dhruv, you have to drop a hi in the chat or else I might have to give it to somebody else. So I'm going to count till 5, 4, 3, 2, and okay. So Dhruv, you won LinkTube. That's for, yeah, you won LinkTube for tagging us on your stories. So I can see that you commented. So if you want to claim it, just mail at support@pitchground.com. Just drop in.
And also make sure that you send us a quick hi DM so that we can just verify it's you. And that way we will be able to add things for you.
Yes, just send your DM and send us a hi here and we'll take care of the rest. So congratulations.
There's also, Minang, there's also one more quick question from Ram. There's one more suggestion coming in from Ram for you, Sanket. If possible, kindly add a link shortener and a retargeting pixel for every button. If it's done, I hope LinkTube should save a ton of money spend on different tools, people should shift to LinkedIn completely. Please could save
Yeah,
on,
sure.
people could save on Calendly,
That's it.
retargeted
Damn good
coupling,
suggestion.
and that's a boom.
Yeah, we'll take on Calendly for sure. We need to think about retargeting kit. Let's see.
That's a damn good suggestion. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for the suggestion, Ram. Appreciate it. It's by people like you, people like all the others who are asking questions that the project is shaped. Then that's what a pitch ground is all about, guys. Community driven marketplace where all the founders come here, take your feedback, and then your feedback helps to build
Yes.
the product. Thank you so much for all the feedback. We truly appreciate it.
Again, guys, we only have about 39 minutes left for the double the offer. So grab in as many codes as you want, whatever plan you want. Drop in a review and then just fill the form. We have dropped in the link. And within 3 business working days, we are going to double your offer. You can do whatever you want with the codes. Again, use it for your clients, give it away to your clients, use it for your friends, family. I'm pretty sure everyone has got Instagram. So
Yeah.
even if you get enough codes, it will still not be enough because there are like 1.5 billion people using Instagram. So
It's a popular platform. And
What are you guys
I think,
thinking?
Sanket, it's time to announce your favorite question. So why don't you check the Q&A tab and
sure.
go to the answer tab and look at your favorite question. Let's save whatever question you like, because this is picked by you, not anyone else.
Just a moment.
Dhruv, I will get back to you on the DM, so don't worry. Just DM us and we'll take care of it. Yeah, we'll give you the instructions. Don't worry. Yeah. So Sanket, over to you. Choose your favorite question.
We'll take. Do we have variety of templates for landing pages and smart pages by Ram?
By Ram. Okay.
Because he has put up a lot more questions and he provide a good suggestion, that is we are talking about calendar and all.
All right. Ram, are you in the webinar or have you left? If you're in the webinar, say hi. Yes, Ram is here.
Ram is there.
Congratulations, Ram. You won the code for LinkTube. Yes.
And time for the final giveaway. It's the Pitch Ground t-shirt, guys. The first person to type in let's see who one types in first. Pitch Ground gets a Pitch Ground t-shirt. There you go. I think we have, Dhruv, you could have been a winner, but you misspelled. I'm sorry. Oh my God, Dhruv, come on. You could have won two awesome giveaway. So the next one is Manish. Manish, congrats. You have just won a Pitch Ground t-shirt. Oh, actually, Manish misspelled as well. I'm sorry, Manish. You wrote, you again misspelled. The next one is Johan. Johan is the one who wrote it correctly, guys. Again, make sure that you spell correctly. Johan, congrats. You win a Pitch Ground t-shirt. Just reach out to me and send me your full address with your state, zip code, phone number, and t-shirt size. Don't forget that, because that's the most important thing. And right away in like next 1 hour, I'll be shipping you the t-shirt. Who knows when it will reach because of COVID, but hopefully it reaches quickly to you. But we'll place the order for you right away. So just make sure to contact me with these details. Others, just make sure that you type in correctly next time. It's very, very, very important.
All right. So we're done with the giveaways. We're done with the questions. What next? The timer is running out. It's for you to purchase. It's for you to grow your Instagram. It's for you to establish your online presence, guys. Go ahead and do it. That's all I can say in this webinar. So,
is any question pending?
No,
I think that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Again, you only have about 35 minutes left. In 35 minutes, the form will close automatically. Again, take advantage of this offer. You can utilize it in various ways. Please take advantage of it because it's not coming back. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's webinar.